Well, telecommunication technology is changing faster with time. Back in 1991, people were using 2G. 2G was a replacement of 1G because with 1G, people could interfere with your phone calls and SMS. But with 2G, you could make phone calls and send SMS without interference. 3G provided broadband communication, which includes SMS, phone calls, and a little bit faster internet, where mobile transformation was made able to 3G. 4G brought in mobile telecommunication companies with advancement with videos. 5G brought in industrial Internet of Things and interactive videos. 6G will bring massive scale artificial intelligence and holographic video sensors. Nokia Bell Labs projects it to be launched in 2030. 6G is going to base on 6 key technology areas, that is security and trust, new spectrum, network as a sensor, artificial intelligent native air interface, extreme connectivity, cognitive automated and specialized architectures.